And you wonder why I named her Dancehall Princess Ivany Sensation, people. Her first debuted musical video is a hit. Spoil Me. Over 30,000 views in one day. You know what I mean? On a brand new Vivo page. And this is what me tell you about having a fan base. You know what I mean? If you don't have no fans out here, you're not saying nothing. You know what I mean? And Ivani have the place locked. As we can see, everywhere that she goes, the followers follow, you know, and it definitely proves, you know. Women lie, men lie, but numbers don't. You know what I mean? And she got over 30,000 views on a new page. Remember her first song got over 100,000 views in a one day too, you know. You know what I mean? So right now, Ivan is doing better than a lot of artists. You know what I mean? When it comes to views and having people to support her, you know. You know what I mean? What I saw in Cardi B is what I see in Ivani. And mark my words, Cardi B soon start follow Ivani style. And not because she don't have no style, because Ivani is a trendsetter, you know. You know what I mean? So, boy, I have problems for them next year when Ivani and Blood Not are married the road. Shenseea and Spice, trust me. Nobody now gonna be talking about one, you know. But anyway, people, boom, viewers, subscribers, back at it again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not for it from King Mix Up, it's not credible. Keep on telling you, you don't know what the thing said, people. Bless up on yourself already, but to know my style, one bag of one in a one, you know, some stories you heard of, but you never heard my point of view on it. Buju Banton said dancehall music is trash, and we know which artist he's talking about, as he has no problem with Soulja Jam winning. Why, sad news, people, the girl with the roses stabbed up, and she's not here no more. And her people, the killers, them that took her life, is laughing and rejoicing. It kind of remind me of Kaylan's situation. You know, when the 5 people, them did beat her, and she did end up in a coma in her situation, you know. So thank God she's alive. You see me, I say, Pamputtae, this up the Babylon boy. And Shenseea is out here saying people is dead. You know what I mean? People hit the like button 1,000 times and share the video 1,000,001. But I try to reach broader audience. I need your help in doing so. You feel me? Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, people. Sad news again. I'm not gonna lie to you. I seen a video going around with a little girl, you know, in this red dress that you see right here. Well, I have several videos. I have the video with them stabbing this little girl. But let me start from the beginning. You know, the day me see a video go around, you know, with a beautiful little girl in this red dress, you know. And I'm seeing people crying and bawling and, you know, saying R.I.P. and all of this. So I'm like, damn, Shorty must have had some type of illness, you know. But little did I know, I stop the gal, you know. I don't want to say girl like that, you know, but I stop her up. You see me, I say, by a group of girls, you know, boy, people, I'm not gonna lie to you, the mother feel it, you know, and the mother want the little girl to come and take for her life too, you know. But anyway, this is what she had to say. They took my baby away from me. They murdered my child and then bragging about it, but I'll leave all vengeance to God. Everyone that's reaching out to me, tagging me and reposting it, I really appreciate it. I saw it. Thank you guys so much. I am not strong. Please pray for me while I try to pray for myself. At this point, I feel like I want to die and bury my child. I'm buried with my child, you know. God, I just want to die. Please take me with her. She was only 16 and they took my baby away from me. I want to die right now. I don't even know how to say R.I.P. to my daughter. This feels so unreal. God, why me? Why me? Lord, my daughter don't bother people. Her mother don't bother people. No one, evenly, Father, why me? I just want to die. And she also said, somebody please tell that girl to come and kill me too. I want to bury my daughter. God, please take me with her. I don't want to live no more. They took my baby away from me.
I serve her my lap. What? Ew. Okay, that's an opportunity with his dad.
Yes, and as you can see, that was them bragging. You feel what I'm saying? Boy. Boy, I don't know how the parents of these savages feel, but I will show the unedited version on my Twitter channel. As you know, that video is not evidence. But I hope the little girl get justice. And I hope her mom can live through this, It's a sad situation, you see me. I said condolences, but I still want giving that update while going, parents. Boy, pray for the child every day that them leave that house there, I have some walking crosses on Planet Earth, you see me. I don't even know what the little girl could have done, for them to pop this off. As you hear the mother say, I child not bother nobody. And it could be a thing of jealousy, because trust me, jealousy is a thing that breed in our youth, Boy. Anyway, people, let's proceed.
Have on my seatbelt, me nah speed, nah nothing at all. And you right ticket for what? What you right ticket for? You need to write a ticket for your pants. We're tight, them need to give you new pants.
Jano. Hey, me not gonna lie to you. Babylon all over the world gets a fight. You know what I mean? It don't matter if you're black or white. You see me? I say. 'Cause when the public take set upon you, be rotted, so, Babylon boy just have to take the chattings and write the ticket, because there's one thing you don't do is argue with a ghetto girl. You know what I mean? And we're not saying ghetto because them bad, We're just saying ghetto girl full of lyrics. You see me? I say. And Pamputtae is a dancehall artist, and she lyrical, yo. But me just that update with Pamputtae, Boy. Anyway, people, let us proceed. Okay, people, dancehall reggae artist Buju Banton speaks on this Soldier Jam situation, and it's not what Uno think Uno would expect to hear from him. You know what I mean? Yes, and he says basically we're making trash music. You see me, I say, after a performance of Love and Harmony Cruise, you feel what I'm saying? Barry Hamilton, all of these people were there, But him said Jamaicans are making trash music, and he said, and he's quoted saying, when we out here, most of us never did bat an eye. They didn't see the consequences of the ramifications of such a bad card that was played on us in the industry, We have some work to do. It's called culling. You see it? We have to make this music great again. The thing that played this music for years, the musician them play a minor part. But when you have disc jockeys now that become producers and they want to dictate what is supposed to be heard on the radio, and then say themselves, have a stake in what's being played on the radio because it's monetary material, pay all the people, The music take a left turn. Hence, we have what we have now, what you call it, because I don't know what to call it, what you call it. Buju says trash music, you see me, I say. And he's not lying, I've been saying that for the longest, you feel me? And I mean, everybody know when me start my life, them a Garnet Silk, Jacob Miller, Peter Tasha, one of them greats, Gregory Isaac, Dennis Brown. But he said, I know the music is generational. But what is this generation getting from this music? I can't say I want to be on top. I can't be on top. My generation did what them supposed to do, what your generation do. You see me, I say? And he's right, you feel me? And I can't blame the elders, them. It's the younger generation putting out the trash music, you see me, I say. You know what I mean? Because when we look into it, the older generation is still being booked. The older generation is still being booked. Not only can't the new generation stick to the standard and create Jamaican music, them can't even perform like real reggae dancehall artists. You know what I mean? Shenseea flap herself, Alkaline flap herself. You know what I mean? Them say Skilly Bang can draw a crowd, but him can't hold the stage. You know what I'm saying? But we just give it an update while going. Buju Banton chimes in on this Soldier Jam situation, you know. Like I say, I have no problem with Soldier Jam, you know, because that's the music that them grow up on, you know. You know what I mean? If we feel so hurt, we need to start with own a thing and support with own a thing. But me not lag along for that again, you know. Let's proceed. Okay, people. A lot of people is there me saying what is going on with dancehall pop star queen Shenseea. My DMs have been full since yesterday saying that she is writing a whole bunch of stuff that seems to be coming from a dark place, you know. It's nothing really too positive per se. You know what I mean? She sounds frustrated, she looks depressed, etc., etc., etc. People, if I know one thing about Shenseea, nothing to do a bomber clot. You know what I mean? Obviously, Shenseea is looking attention, you know. And I'm going to get into what she's saying, but people, she's just looking attention. I study Shenseea, you know. Shenseea is dropping a new music video, you know. And I think it has something to do with vision and all of these things that she's talking about. But the people that might say, no. Look upon this king, she said, when I sit and really think about how great God is to me, it just makes me want to cry. He is truly amazing. No, another one that me the one answer. Other one, yeah, she said, my past is dead to me. I only care about my future and right now. Boy, the people them say Shenseea don't care about you know who that went 6 feet under the Wadia, yeah, you see me answer. Boy. I don't know why Shenseea is talking like this, honestly, people. If it's not a publicity stunt for a new project, I don't really know, you know. But she's talking about, I don't need you bitches for real. I'm an alpha. Yeah, I mean, loyalty, this, loyalty, that, you know. You think that she'll be on top of the world because she sold 900 albums, you know. Could I buy a host of Calabas, LA, and all of these things, you know. Big shopping spree and all of these things, no, boy. Anyway, people know I long that review any longer. I'm just give them update what I forgot. I'm gonna let to go. And don't forget to comment on all the topic, like the video 1,000 times, share 1,000,001. I try to reach broader audience and it shows your appreciation. I mean, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, musical views, and gossips. Bless.